Hey guys, Patrick Manning here, CRO at Rock Financial. Just wanted to check in with everybody. A lot of things come up within business on a day-to-day basis, and it just made me stop and think of, let me reach out to my network. It made me think of all of you and provide you guys with some type of a business tip that's been really helpful for me and my team. So today's business tip is create a process. Whether you're in sales, you're in management, you're leading a team, or you're just working in a cube by yourself or an office by yourself, no matter what, process is super important. I have trained thousands of sales reps over the years on how to operate in business financing and do loan brokering. And the number one thing that I tell everybody is you have to be organized and you have to be very mature about your mindset on how you go about your business. So set a schedule for yourself. Come in the morning, have a hit list, a to-do list, know what your goals are throughout the day, and make sure that you follow your process. A process is no good if you put it in place but you don't follow it. Everybody I talk to, I tell you that with me and my team, we are militant about our process, and that really allows us to, scale our business and take on more volume because we always maintain that structure. So tip of the day, structure is important, and create a process in your business, but more importantly, follow that process. Thank you guys.